Hey guys, welcome to Abbi Bell's Lifestyle. And today we are in the kitchen once more. And we will be cooking up a storm. Or, yes, a storm. That's the perfect terminology to use. And we'll be playing a game to figure out what we will be cooking today. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Here are the clues. I live in the ocean, thus the reference to a storm. I eat crabs. In Westmoreland, Jamaica, people refer to me as a sea puss, thus the cat on the shirt. And I have, this is going to be a giveaway though, I have 8 legs. 8 legs. What am I? Have you figured it out yet? Have you figured it out? Alright, so today we will be making some curried octopus. We're done. We'll be making some curried octopus and some I'll be jerking it in a little skillet pan because whatever. Let's not get into that. We'll be jerking some octopus and currying some octopus, and we'll be eating some octopus. So all I know will sit on about, ew, weird, ugly, should we really have to eat that? The thing with octopus, it takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with. So it is very easy to add flavor to it. It does not have a distinct flavor that would turn you off or throw off whatever it is that you're doing. So don't be scared, don't be weirded out by it. Just open your mind and let's go into the kitchen. And let's grab our apron. And let's start cooking because I am already in the kitchen. So you guys get out of your bed, bring your phone, turn on your TV screen or whatever you're using to watch this, and let's go in the kitchen. And you can pause, pray, pause, but then you would have the octopus, don't? Yes, I'll go buy an octopus first. Pause and go buy an octopus now. All right, let's go. Let's start cooking.